to us on this. And with that, viewers, we're going to move ahead and cover the latest in the Twisha Sharma death case. Now, the Central Bureau of Investigation is set to formally take over the probe into the death of the model turned actor. An agency team has already reached Bhopal to assume control of the investigation from Madhya Pradesh Police. The CBI will collect all evidence and documents linked to the case. Then the investigative agency will re-register the case and commence the investigation. Let's go to Twisha Sharma, my colleague, who's joining us on this. Twisha, the CBI is set to formally take over the case of Twisha. What formalities need to be done? Sambhav, talk to us about the formalities, if you can hear me, that CBI will have to do before taking on the case formally.
Well, the Central Bureau of Investigation, the CBI will take up the probe is what the Solicitor General Twisha Mehta has said in the Supreme Court before the Judge bench. Rather, as he has assured the Supreme Court, the CBI will take over the probe in the Twisha Sharma death case. That's one update. But on the other hand, what the three-judge bench of the Supreme Court, while hearing this suo motu petition case, said that one, CBI has asked both the parties, victim and accused, to formally, whatever they want to say, kindly say it before.
Kindly say it before the competent authority, the investigating officers in this particular case, the investigating agencies, rather than putting forth their opinion on social media platforms or to the media platforms. This is what the Supreme Court has asked both the families to do. On the other hand, Supreme Court has said that on the merits of the case, the top court is not saying anything as of now. Let the investigation in the case continue, and the investigation will reveal reveal certain facts, and that would, in a way, clarify the big picture in this particular case. And also, the Supreme Court, in a way, said that these investigating agencies are doing their job, and said that let them do their job and let the investigation continue. To this, Solicitor General Twisha Mehta, who was appearing for a state of Madhya Pradesh, has said that the Central Bureau of Investigation will take up the matter from here. So it is the Solicitor General on the floor of the Supreme Court, in the Supreme Court, has said that the CBI will take over the matter. And also requested the media that not to, in a way, just report the facts, focus on the facts, rather than putting forth the sound bites of both the families, and let the investigation continue in this case. This is all what the Supreme Court said in a nutshell. With the hearing in the top court underwent for around 40 to 45 minutes, where CBI in a way assured that the investigation in this particular case is underway, and Supreme Court has said that we will make sure that the investigation in this case will take place, and it will go to a logical conclusion. So that's all what happened in the Twisha Sharma death case in the top court.
Stay on with me, Sambhav. In fact, however, we are also going to take some more updates from the police investigation. Police have begun detailed questioning of retired Judge Giribala Singh and her lawyer son Samarth Singh, who was allegedly harassing Twisha over dowry. Now, officials have stated the information provided by the two accused is being verified. They said, adding that no conclusion has been reached so far. Samarth Singh, who is currently in police custody, has apparently told investigators that their relation turned sour after Twisha became pregnant, according to sources. Sambhav, yes, tell us more details on this, because Twisha's in-laws are consistently maintaining that Twisha had turned sour after this pregnancy that she did not want to continue.
Well, these are the allegations. So there are allegations and counter allegations, and here what the top court of the country has said, that instead of making allegations against each other, it's better you record your statement formally before the competent authority. If the Central Bureau of Investigation is to take over the probe, then to the Central Bureau of Investigation, and as of now, when the state authorities are probing the matter, the competent authorities, the police officials, the investigating officers, so it is before them, the CBI said the families need to put forth their opinions, and whatever they feel, whatever is there in their mind, whatever the chats they have or the proof, whatever all these things is to be put before the competent authority, rather than coming up speaking on different platforms, is what the CBI has said. And because it is important in a way, because see, when the top court of the country takes the suo motu cognizance in this particular case, it becomes important. See, the gravity of the case is very much clear, that when the Supreme Court of India is taking cognizance, to suo motu cognizance, on Saturday night the top court has taken cognizance, and on Monday morning court spent some 45 minutes in this hearing and passed on certain directions. So it is important for the authorities as well to follow those directions. However, there is another update. The High Court, Madhya Pradesh High Court, is also have to hear a particular petition on the rejecting of the bail petition. This is one petition in the Madhya Pradesh High Court, that the bail petition of mother-in-law, bail of anticipatory bail rather of mother-in-law should be rejected, and she must not be granted an anticipatory bail. So the question follows whether she will be arrested then. So it is up to the authorities whether she is going to surrender before the authorities, or authorities seek the mother-in-law's arrest. That is to be seen. That is going to be a crucial hearing in the High Court. But as of now, from the Supreme Court, certain directions passed to both the families.
Right, Sambhava, stay on with me. We are now going to move on